So hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to convert a text to its hex value and print it on SmowCode on the serial monitor. So as you can see, it's a simple flow. I have my convert to hex text node, and if I go double tap on it and go to its properties, you can see there are two main parameters. First is the conversion type. So you can choose whether you want to convert from hex to a buffer value or you want to convert the buffer to the hex value. In this case, I'm gonna convert the buffer to the hex value, and I'm have the buffer as 14, 23 and 7. So let's change it a bit to 11, 22, and let's keep 7 as it is, and let's upload this to our ESP32. So it has been uploaded to our ESP32, and let's check out the serial display. Let's connect our serial monitor to our ESP32 and let's reset the ESP32, and as you can see, we have the values. 11 is B in hexadecimal, and as you can see, that's correct. 7 is 07 in hexadecimal, and the 16 should be equal to 22, and let's put in 16. Let's put in 22 and it should give us 16. The hex number in 2 digits is 16. So this is how you convert to hex text from a buffer. Converting to hexadecimal is very important when you are working with memory addresses, raw bytes or low level data. The hexadecimal notation is very useful for quickly identifying and understanding the value stored in memory, and this is how you can convert it using SmowCode.